Minutes, no, it should say like 30 minutes.
Hi, YouTube! Guess what? I almost burned down the YS with this pretzel.
It's still so reacting.
Can you hear it crackling?
Show the underneath.
See, now that's your heart when you smoke. Just saying. Just look at it. It's even eating through the plate.
Wait, no, you didn't.
It's
Right there.
Yeah, right there.
There, see? Look.
Oh, look, here come the fire department. Right down there. Yep. There we go. They're going inside to put out the pretzel.
Right here.
Just in time for the pack present.
Hi.
The driving.
How's Jessica?
No, actually, it's before Jessica.
We are taking your picture.
No. I could pay for a new microwave. Please tell me the microwave's not destroyed. Hey, it actually survived. It still stinks though.
Yeah, you can throw it so that will play out. That's what I keep it as a souvenir.
No, he said I should sign my name on it and put it on Facebook. It's still popping. I'm afraid. I'm very, very afraid. What's today's date? 4/1.
It's April Fool's joke.
Rest in peace, dear Pretzel.
Oh, it looks like a turd.
We should put Rip right there. Or right here.
He was a good little pretzel.
It's Christopher.
Me.
Your responsible sister. She went to the bathroom and left
It was only on for a minute. That's what we put it on in the other things.
on for a minute.
Yes, I have done that before.
Wait, you have?
Yeah, it's like falling off. We have to glue it down. It's like rock solid. I mean, really. Ow, that actually hurt. Ooh, look, it fell apart. Oh, there we go. See, people, this is your heart when you smoke. Just saying. It was an April Fool's accident. It wasn't even supposed to be a joke. I just wanted to eat it. Oh, look at it. It ate the plate. Now, that would have killed me. Okay. I really hope that does not burn the trash. Anyway. Peace.